Hey, what's going on everybody? We are going to do another unboxing for y'all today. You are going to see quite a few number of these in the next few months because I'm actually currently building the brand new 416 dental studio here in Toronto with all the latest technology. So you're going to see quite a few of these unboxing videos. I'm so excited about today's unboxing though because it's something that I absolutely cannot practice without, and that's magnification and illumination. My advice for all dental students is to invest in a good pair of loupes and lights immediately. It is a game changer. They always say you don't know what you don't know. And this applies to magnification and light as well. You can't see what you can't see. So just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not there. So I think this is absolutely an essential tool when you're a clinician that is obsessed with precision and accuracy, not to mention all the other benefits regarding ergonomics. Please take care of your back and necks, guys. So my journey with loupes started off in dental school, where I bought a 2.5 times magnification pair. After a couple years of using that, I upgraded to a 3.7 times orascoptic during my residency. I've been using the 3.7 times magnification orascoptic loupes with these prismatic lenses for about 8 years, and I really do like them. I currently don't have any problems with them, but I personally hate traveling with my loupes because I'm always worried about either damaging them or forgetting them. Yes, there has been instances where I had to Uber my loupes from one clinic to another. So I decided to invest in another pair just in time for the new office. And I've had my eye on the Orascoptic Eyezoom for quite some time. Orascoptic is known worldwide in dentistry for their quality and innovation. Every pair of Orascoptic loupes is custom made in Wisconsin. They use great quality glass. When it comes to glass, the only other company that I can think of that people talk about, it would be Zeiss. I am actually currently shooting this video using Zeiss glass right now on my Sony mirrorless camera. Anyways, I personally have never tried a pair of Zeiss loupes since they do not have through the lens loupes, which I actually do prefer. Come to think about it, I don't even know a single person who owns a pair of Zeiss loupes. Versus on Instagram, I see dentists all around the world, in Asia, Australia, Europe, South America, and obviously North America using Orascoptic loupes. As I mentioned, I've been very interested in the Eyezoom for quite some time. They are totally unique since it is the first variable magnification loupe on the market. I find this extremely helpful since there are times I'm doing a procedure, like for example, maybe like a molar endo or prepping that margin for that veneer, and I really wish I had a higher magnification so that I can see better. Boom, the Eyezoom solves that problem. So that's what I have in this box in front of me today. And without a further ado, let's get right into it. So the loupes get shipped in this white box with an Orascoptic label on the top and then the True Color branding on the side for the headlamp. As I mentioned, each pair of loupes are custom made, and it took about 4 weeks from the time I got fitted. I got fitted, I believe, about February 16th, and we can see on the side here that my pair of loupes actually got made on February the 25th. And it just arrived on my doorstep on March 17th. So that's about 4 weeks. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. So we're gonna open this up here. We're just gonna put this here. All right, so excited about this here. Okay. Oh, we can see that everything's wrapped actually really nicely here. So we have some of these face shields here, and these face shields are special because they have a cutout for the headlight. Especially with these telescopes being so long, it's going to be essential to have a great face shield that's going to be able to fit over that. So that's the face shields there. I'm going to put that off to this side. Let's put that there. There's a little microfiber cleaning cloth that says Orascoptics on here. Thank you for your purchase. A shipping label, and okay, there's the quick start guide, so there's an instruction manual. Probably should read that, so I'll save that for later. And love it, there's the case that it comes in. This is actually beautiful. And so I'm gonna put the brown box off to the side, and I'm gonna show you guys this here. It's oh, it has even a little handle on top, so it's like a little like lunch carrying case here. But the case is really solid. It has a sort of like fabric kind of Kevlar material on it, and it's really solid. Like when I push on it, it really keeps everything really well protected. There's a zipper, and oh yeah, there's a label. So they ask you what you want it to be labeled with on the case, as well as your pair of loupes. So I have the 416 Dentistry right on the label here. Look at that there, that's so cool. And it says custom crafted in the USA for 416 Dentistry. The Orascoptic logo as well as the phone number. So let's get right into this. We're gonna unzip this here. It really feels really premium. And all right, so there's some information about the headlamp. Again, I'm just gonna put that off to the side. We'll read that later. Little screwdriver here, and there's a little slot. It's gonna be hard to show you here, but there's a little slot where you can actually store the screwdriver, I believe. It has a little logo of the screwdriver, so that doesn't get lost. And oh, the inside is really cushiony. Like, this is some really great protection, guys. And so let's swing this over. And so this case houses the battery pack for the lights, as well as we got the wall charger. In the inside here, again, it's pretty like well molded sort of plastic that has this slightly firmer protection. And then I'm just gonna put that back, and then we really want to take a look at these. It goes this way. Okay, there we go. And then we really want to take a look at these loupes. On the inside, it's sort of like a velvety material, so it's really soft in the inside here. So let's put that off to the side, and oh my god, the moment of truth. Okay, so this case is similar to the other one. It's really hard on the outside. I have this sort of like fabric slash like Kevlar kind of material on the outside, so it feels really well protected. Oh, yeah, there's actually the label, again, custom crafted in the USA for 416 Dentistry, the Orascoptic label as well as their number. And, all right. There you go, the Eyezooms. Oh my god, I've been kind of waiting for these for so long. There's the Eyezooms there. There's the light headlamp attached to the Eyezooms there. You can see that you can change the magnification there. These look so premium. There's the side shields along the side. Yep, I have 416 Dentistry engraved on the side there, so that's super cool. And there's a neck strap. I can't wait to try this because quite often these neck straps get loose over time. So it's really important to have a really great neck strap that's going to help support the weight of your loupes, especially when it's sitting on the bridge of your nose. Yeah, it's feels solid. Obviously, with Orascoptic, I don't expect anything less than great quality, so I can't wait to use this. I'm going to try it out for the next few weeks, and I'm going to actually let you know what I think about these loupes. But I'm super stoked. So I'm going to put them back in the case, and I really want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about loupes, I'd love to hear what you guys are using, what your experiences have been. And can't wait to share with you some more information in the next video. Peace.